Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to upgrade fence in Dark War Survival. So first of all, what you need to do is progress through the game until the city gate is unlocked, typically around the watchtower level 9 to 10 depending on your profession. Then here in your shelter, when you're here, as you can see we're in our shelter, tap this city gate located at the bottom of your base. So here in the bottom of the base you will have the city. Once you of course have it, in the bottom you will have it, which will be the of course gate that people can of course go in and out through, and cannot of course go into your base. So it will be in the bottom. Tap on it and select upgrade. If the upgrade button is unavailable, meet the listed requirements, usually a higher watchover level. Of course, start the upgrade. As your city gate levels up, your fence automatically becomes stronger. You don't upgrade fence segment individually. So upgrading the city gate increases your base durability and helps fence, of course, withstand zombie attacks, which will of course occur. So the faster you do this, the best for your base. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.